This platform has truly been a game changer for many people for many professionals from LMICs, because of the inclusive nature, the cross-disciplinary conversations, and the content which goes well beyond just pure surgery or speech or orthodontic care, really puts the child or the individual in the center of care. And for us who used to go from conference to conference trying to learn or get trained, this is the perfect way for us to fill in. Now with Japan 2025 coming up, I'm very excited to meet so many people who I've just met online or text or message them. I think the CoCP has brought cleft professionals together. I know from my experience, being a cleft specialist in a hospital is a very lonely task. And therefore, having this reach across the world with like-minded people has been very special. And I hope will go on forever. Thank you.